Work zones don't just slow you down, they can take you down. Every work zone, whether on a busy construction site or inside a bustling industrial facility, comes with risks. Chemical spills, electrical hazards, falls, and fires. Every day, workers are injured or even worse because they don't recognize the danger zones around them. At OSHA Outreach Courses, we believe honestly that knowledge is your best safety tool. That's why we created the Work Zone Safety Parts 1 and 2 course, a 22-minute online training designed to help you spot hazards, manage risks, and respond quickly if something goes wrong. In just 22 minutes, this course will teach you how to recognize common work zone hazards from chemical exposure to electrical dangers. You'll learn the different ways harmful substances can enter your body and how to block them. We'll show you how to apply proven control methods like ventilation systems and PPE to keep yourself safe. And you'll find out how to respond to emergencies like spills, fires, and exposure incidents before they escalate. Work zones can change in an instant. One missed leak, one faulty wire, one cluttered walkway. This training shows you how to stay alert and how to act fast to avoid becoming the next statistic. You'll also learn why personal protective equipment, or PPE, is not optional. From gloves to goggles to respiratory masks, PPE can mean the difference between an ordinary workday and, well, a trip to the emergency room. Good housekeeping isn't just about appearances, it's about preventing accidents before they happen. You'll learn the right ways to clean up hazardous spills, dispose of dangerous waste, and keep your work area safe for everyone. Emergencies don't wait, neither should you. This course covers what to do the moment an accident happens, from using fire extinguishers and emergency showers, to reporting exposures and evacuating safely. And the best part? The Work Zone Safety Parts 1 and 2 course is completely online, meaning you can learn at your own pace, on your own time. And once you finish, you'll receive your official OSHA Outreach Certificate, a powerful sign that you take safety seriously. Don't let preventable hazards control your work zone. Click the link in the description below to enroll today. Learn what to look for, learn how to respond, learn how to stay safe.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.